Hi gamers! In this video, let's find step by step to resolve crashing issues with Stalker 2. Heart of Chernobyl on PC particularly crashes on startup or to desktop. You can follow these steps. Step 1 is to restart your PC and Steam. After rebooting, launch Steam and try starting the game again. Step 2, adjust launch options. In Steam, go to your library, right-click on Stalker 2, and select Properties. Step 3, run as administrator. Check Run this program as an administrator, apply changes, and relaunch the game. Step 4, use compatibility mode. In the same compatibility tab, enable Run this program in compatibility mode and select an older version of Windows like Windows 10 from the drop-down menu. Step 5, verify game files. Right-click on Stalker 2 in your Steam library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 6, increase virtual memory. Set the preferred graphics processor to high-performance NVIDIA or AMD GPU. Step 7, clear temporary files and end background tasks. Step 8, disable game mode. Go to Windows Settings and go to Gaming and next to Game Mode and toggle it off to see if it resolves any conflicts with graphics drivers. Step 9, update BIOS and drivers. Ensure your BIOS is up to date and that you have the latest graphics drivers installed, as outdated drivers can cause crashes. These solutions should help mitigate crashing issues with Stalker 2, Heart of Chernobyl, allowing you to enjoy the game without interruptions. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.